having this new vision of who we are and where we need to go as a species, not just as a political nationality. And that is this great aspiration to the infinite that you see coming out of Bhagwan Swaminarayan here. I always felt like seeing these statues, seeing these temples and monuments, it's something eternal, it's something infinite. It's not just some local thing or some primitive thing. It's actually a vision of the future. And that's why a place like Akshardham can be so transformative. And this is a good model for the United States and Americans to see. It's not about being indoctrinated one way or another. It's about learning how to work together, be yourself, connect to the universe, and understand the divine presence in everyone. Like the Mahamandir here, you have a doorway into that greater, deeper consciousness and presence of the sages, yogis, rishis, and of all of nature, and this great movement towards transcendence that we need to raise ourselves individually and as a society.